Well, tomorrow across the Commonwealth, it does mark Tornado Preparedness Day, part of Severe Weather Awareness Week. And at 9:45 tomorrow morning, statewide tornado drill. The emergency alert system will probably go off as a required monthly test, but it's during that time that you would practice your tornado safety drill, and that would be to go to the lowest level of your home, preferably a basement or your office or your building or school. And if you don't have a basement, the lowest level of the structure away from windows. Of course, severe weather can happen any month of the year, but certainly here on the cusp of spring, it becomes a little bit more active. And of course, the next several months, we'll see how that plays out, but always good to have a safety action plan. Well, the clouds have certainly rolled in throughout the course of the afternoon. 48 currently at the airport. The air mass is very dry. We have dew points that are in the single digits. So when you show the radar here in a moment, a lot of what we're seeing is aloft. It's going to take a while to saturate the air mass. 46 right now at the Valley Airport in Weir's Cave, and temperatures at this hour include 45 in Madison. We've got 47 in Palmyra, 43 in Waynesboro, 46 in Stanton, and 45 right now in Louisa. Most of us tonight will be in the middle 30s, some pockets of lower 30s. The higher elevations of the Blue Ridge will have a little longer chance of wintry mix and hence some accumulation on those higher ridge tops, and that's why a winter weather advisory is in place for the Blue Ridge Mountains, the Alleghenies out to the west. That's from late tonight to 11 a.m. tomorrow morning. But at the onset across the region, there could be some sleet or a wet snowflake mixed in at the onset, but most locations east of the Blue Ridge will be above freezing. Temperatures tomorrow, no bargain. We're stuck in the chilly mid to low 40s. And most of the rain will be late tonight, early tomorrow. We could be left with some drizzle during the day, but overall rainfall amounts are pretty paltry. Most of us maybe a tenth, if we're lucky, maybe 2/10 of an inch. I know this is showing a few hundredths, but not expecting a whole lot of rain tomorrow, but the clouds will linger, a chilly day. Then we'll get some breaks of sunshine in here for a little milder day on Wednesday, St. Patrick's Day. Better chance of rain here by the end of the week, Thursday into at least Friday morning, and we could be looking at a couple inches of rainfall. There's the American GFS model, European model much the same. Anywhere from that blue to purple shading is basically anywhere from an inch to just over 2.5 inches potentially. So here we go with the NBC29 Doppler radar network. You're seeing some returns here on the radar. A lot of that is aloft, what we call Virga, but you go farther to the west and we are starting to see the rain. And this is part of the weakening system now that was part of that big storm that hammered the Rockies, areas like Denver over the weekend. It's lifting farther north and east, but the attending energy in front will be working through. Yes, it is cold out west. They're digging out from that big 2.5 foot snowfall out west. Some locations saw a lot more than that. So here we are tonight. Again, some light rain. There could be some pockets of mixed precipitation, and then it's kind of fading out by early tomorrow morning. We're left with some drizzle, maybe a leftover shower in the 30s to start, but temperatures don't rise too much tomorrow. Low to middle 40s, a cloudy, chilly day. We should get some breaks in the sky covers. We go deeper into Wednesday, especially during the afternoon with temperatures in the upper 50s to around 60. Then our next weather maker arrives on Thursday. A lot more rain with that into at least Friday morning. Temperatures tonight in the 30s, some rain showers, some pockets of wintry mix. The higher elevations, we'll see a bit more. There's a look at the Michael and Son 7-day forecast. Temperatures will continue to vary here this week as we see 40s tomorrow, nearing 60 on Wednesday. A little drier here for the midweek, and then the late week turns wet on us. Rain there on Thursday. Could be looking at a couple inches before it tapers off on Friday. Right now, the weekend looking good. Spring arrives calendar-wise Saturday. Casey and State.
All right, Eric.